Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I'm so happy that you are here with me. In today's video I am going to show you how I made these blue and green resin coasters with gold middle and gold edges. So without further ado, let's get to it. So my mold for today is a slate mold from company Molds and Shapes. And for my pigments, I am going to be using Arteza, Powder and Curl White. And I have these beautiful gold crush rocks that I am going to put in my center. So here I am. I have prepared my resin, and my resin for today is Art Pro Resin from Resin Pro Company. So the first thing to do, of course, is to divide resin into cups and add colors. I have a little tip for you. Basically, if you are not sure how much color, how much resin you should be getting, the rule that I follow is from the all resin, I roughly take half for my color and then I leave another half transparent for later to pour in the middle. And for these particular coasters, I tried to have equal amounts of resin for blue and green. And these coasters is kind of experiment that I had in my mind. I don't know how it came, but I thought that I could make in this way. You're gonna see just in a little moment what I mean, and I don't know how it's gonna come out. So I was curious to try out and see how the resin gonna interact and what kind of magic pattern it's going to make. If you are liking this video so far, please give a like. It's gonna help my channel out a lot, and one like doesn't cost a thing. So thank you for clicking a like. So all my colors have been mixed and I am putting in my smaller cup transparent and I'm all ready to go. So now you're gonna see my experimental pour. So I am pouring two colors at the same time, just like that, trying to do in the middle and equal amounts. And I am going to do it in puddles until the color run out. And the next puddle is going to be opposite. So where it was green is gonna be blue, and where is blue will be green. And after this puddle, I am putting down white. And then I go back to my colors. And now that all my color is finished, I am adding transparent from quite up high, so the colors and the color resin is pushed out and it gets to do its magic. And after the clear resin has been poured, the last job is to put some gold stones in the middle. And then that's it. And you already can see that the colors are starting to react between themselves. So here I am just popping the bubbles and cover it and leave it for 24 hours to cure. And this is the next day. I must say I like this side a lot. I like how the white has found its way around the colors. So now I'm super curious how it's gonna look on the other side, because the other side is going to be the face up. So here we go. As always, they come out very nicely, no problem at all. And very interesting. Not exactly what I was expecting, but I'm happy. Maybe I should have add a little more white, so the white is more intense, and then on the other side it would sink a bit more. But I like this kind of tie effect, that the colors are mixed together, blended very nicely. So overall, I am happy of how they're looking. And I have a little overspill, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna sand it off, and I'm gonna paint edges gold, and then I'm gonna apply a top coat. So yeah, and here they are, all ready. I do like them a lot, because my favorite colors in the world are blue and green, so this is right up my street. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please leave a comment down below and let me know. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!